Hey guys, it's Gibble Gibbleson's sister here, and today I thought I'd take over and try to do some cooking because, sometimes whenever he does it, he has some errors. So what we're going to be making today is sugar cookies, and the recipe it says that it can make 48, but that really just depends on the size of the dough ball that you use. So right now I have in this bowl already 1 cup of flour, and the recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next 2. I only have a half a cup, so I'm going to do this twice. Don't think I'm doing this wrong. Okay. I'm good at this, okay? Alright, see how that's... Hold on, you want me to mix it? My brother's, mocking me because, well, he knows how to cook better than me, even though when he cooks with me or his friends, there are always errors, but it's probably because of them. Now, boop, 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 boop. That's now 1 1/2. Now we're gonna do another one. How do you do this without laughing that much? Okay. See, that was better. Alright, now I've got 2 cups, and now we're going to do 3/4, which I have a 4th cup here. Okay. With the spoon?
Do 1/2 cup and then 1/4 to do 3/4.
Oh. Okay. I mean, it doesn't really matter the order, though.
Doesn't really. Oh, and guys, this video is sponsored by Mountain Dew Gamer Fuel. Sorry.
Okay. Don't judge me. I know some of those people watching may be better chefs than I am. I don't cook as much as my brother does, okay? So you're probably judging me right now, but guess what? This is the best I'm gonna do. Yeah, I know. Do this guy. Stop. Okay. Boom. Done. And now we're gonna put in 2 of these, because 1/4 to make 2 halves, because we don't have, 2/4 to make a half because we don't have one.
So half a teaspoon of baking powder.
And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
So then you put that in, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, where'd my spoon go? Okay, mix the ingredients together. you know, till like they're all mixed around, not in just one area. We're gonna use this because it will help air up the flour and make it kind of like a cheaper version of sifting it. And we're gonna start on the wet ingredients, which will be, I believe, 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of butter, which I believe would be 2 sticks.
And we'll return shortly once we are ready.
So now we have our 1 cup of butter in here, and we're gonna now add our 1.5 cups of white sugar. We're gonna need our mixer thingy, which means we'll have to move over here. So let's go. But we'll pour in this first, of course. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. So we are back from mixing it over there, and now we're gonna add these beautiful dry ingredients in there while mixing it together. So let's go. So we were wrong. We have to add just 2 more ingredients before we mix in the dry ingredients. Thank goodness we caught that. So we've got 1 egg we're gonna put in and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to attempt to crack this because I haven't done it in a while or never. So here we go. Okay. A little messy, but at least I don't see any shells. So we're gonna throw that away as we drop part of the egg. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands so I can get back to working. Alright. So now we're gonna take this vanilla extract into 1 tablespoon of, wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna try to like pour it over here so it's, no, we're gonna pour it over here into that because if we pour it in the sink then that would be weird. Well, I mean, it's gonna go somewhere anyway, but you know, it'd be better to have it over here. Okay. I'm gonna take this with me. And pour it in a little bit. Alright. Now we're ready to go mix it in with our dry ingredients. So now we're going. Now we're gonna pour in the dry ingredients. Has occurred. We didn't have any cookie sheets. Curse you, Gibble Gibbleson! Because he used them all. Anyway, so we have some replacements. This ginger thing is supposed to be gingerbread house template. I don't know. And then this is we're gonna improv here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop basically kind of size balls like this, and you're gonna roll them, and then you're gonna place them down. So I'm I'm gonna start with placing one here. And I would say that they should be pretty decently separated. So like maybe 2 fingers width. I don't know how hugely these are gonna grow. That's bigger. I'm just saying.
We need to make them pretty big, Ava. We have so much dough.
I know, but that's what the directions said.
Okay.
So
We did use a small spoon too.
okay, fine. I'll give you that. Okay, that is an example of 3/4 the times. They are done. We are going to sprinkle some pink sugar sparkled stuff on them for like Valentine's Day. Don't look at that mess. And I hope this worked out for you guys. Oh, okay. Yep, there goes Vince's little kindergarten self. Pouring sprinkles
Yep,
all over the
and
place.
hopefully you enjoyed my sister taking over, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Well, see you guys next time.